Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn 3 ways to apply CSS properties to our HTML codes. First one is inline, internal, external. So we'll see with the help of example. Let's move to the HTML file. Here inside the body we will take a tag something like h1, right? Or we are going to apply the CSS property with the help of inline. Inline means you can apply the CSS property just inside the tag, something like, for example, a style, right? You want to put color red. Okay, let me write the tag, sorry, something inside the tag. So hello, you can see we got the color red in the, we got the uh, text in the red color. You can see without applying the code CSS. You can see the color by default we are getting the text on the web browser is black, but after applying this one you can see. So this is the inline. Now we are going to learn how we can apply the CSS property by internal ways. So we will have to move inside the head tag. Here we will take the style tag. Inside the style tag we will tag h1 because we'll take h1 tag and color. Apply the code, sorry, color into the h1 tag by using internal ways. This is the internal ways, right? So now if you are saying, hey, it was this color is before we have used that color. So let's, here it is. Now we are going to move to learn by external ways how we can apply the CSS properties by external ways. So for that we'll have to take the CSS file. The name, style, etc., anything, so no problem. Here now we are going to we will have to link this HTML file with our sorry CSS file. .css. Now we have taken the h1 tag. Inside h1 we have hello India. Inside style file will write h1 and color something like, this time we are taking orange. Now you can see, right? If you are confused, then let me use the blue color. So this is all about in this video. We have learned 3 ways to link our CSS properties to our HTML code. In the upcoming video we will learn some more exciting things. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.